Hey guys, click the link in the description to know more about best filmmaking equipments you can buy with less money. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Blackhawk Studio. Today we are unboxing the Boya Lavalier microphone. Today we are unboxing the Boya Lavalier M1. It's a perfect mic for the YouTubers. It's very cheap and the quality is good. I highly suggest you to buy this one if you are planning to start a YouTube or you are doing some gaming stuff. It's a superb sound for presentation and video recording. So we got this manual, we don't need that now, so let it be aside. And we got a warranty card here, we don't need that. Let's see what's inside the pouch. The case looks so nice and soft, I can feel that. The pouch looks so good and it's soft and you can see the Boya logo in there. We got the product. The body looks solid and the metal is so good. The wire is plasticky. I don't think the wire will last so long, but the product overall looks so good. You can see the mic. This is the accessories that comes with the Boya. We got a battery and a windshield for the mic. This is an extra plug for the Boya. We don't need that plug. So guys, the whole video is recorded in the Boya M1.